this economic environment leave us for the capital markets of Pakistan? I think it's an interesting time. We have seen, the interest rates drop very sharply from a high of 13.7% down to now 9% and potentially headed down as low as 7%. So the secondary market, which is the bond market, the treasury bill market, the TFC market, the Sukuk market, they have all seen similar revaluations. And what that has done is that it has put income funds, government security funds, sovereign funds very much in the limelight. If you look at the kind of returns that our fixed income funds have given over the last 2 or 3 months, you will see they are far in excess of what you can get simply by a buy and hold strategy, either within the stock market or even within the bond market, simply because income funds have the advantage of booking revaluation gains on a mark-to-market and daily basis, something that doesn't usually happen in a bank deposit or another kind of saving instruments. And now we discuss a little bit about what this all really means for the stock market. Now, the stock market was recovering quite nicely from our own economic issues back in August and September last year, and it had recovered very sharply from a low of 28,000, had bounced back up to 43,000, and that is just in January when the COVID issue started in China. The second that the first case landed in Pakistan, which was the 26th of Feb, is the first time the case was announced in Pakistan, we saw a heavy sell down on the KSC 100. And that really was because of the fear factor in terms of both the health issues that it may bring to Pakistan, as well as the known reality that lockdowns do restrict economic growth and they can be very difficult to manage economically, particularly in a country like Pakistan, where social safety nets and business incentives are sometimes not always tied together. So what the market reacted to really was the social and the economic cost of COVID on Pakistan. It has since rebounded, and I think the impetus for the rebounding came through on the conversations or in terms of the news coverage that was happening around easing lockdown conditions in the Punjab, in the north of the country, and also allowing certain industries, essential industries, those dedicated towards exports, to operate in Sindh.